wonderful connection to be here. And this evening is going to be like one of the most unforgettable evening for the world of jewelry. This evening is really with the bling of glamour, jewels, diamonds. I really enjoyed going across the gallery with Soma. There are stunning pieces, the craftsmanship, the creativity, and I can't imagine few jewelers who were into very traditional. I can see they went on beyond their expectations and they created very unique designs over there. So this evening is a spectacular evening.
So I think it's a great thing that the Retail Jeweler India Awards is held, because it gives jewelers across India a platform to showcase their talent. It's like wine, it's like fine wine ages well. And I think the awards has also grown over the years, and they have so many more people participating. Also, so many more people wanting to know about this jewelry awards, wanting to view it, wanting to understand the jewelry across India. I've been very privileged to be associated with this brand for a good number of years.
I've been part of the jury for I think the last maybe 5 to 6 years, and I see a huge shift in the quality of the pieces in terms of the design. It's really evolved in the sense the choice of material, the choice of metal, the choice of stones, the way it is all set together has really transitioned over the years. But I think it's also because jewelry has evolved across the world, right? So that it has a lot of impact on Indian jewelry as well. So I think that's probably the cause, which is a good cause. So the designs in the nomination gallery have been spectacular. It's like completely blown my mind.
I've been part of this jury panel for several years now. Very much look forward to it. Find it fantastic. Year on year there's a huge improvement, and that goes in every sense really, in terms of quality, quantity, innovativeness, execution, value, stones, so on and so forth. I can't wait. So every year I tend to find quite a few fantastic pieces that I judge. I am delighted to see that many of them win.
Overall glamour of the awards, I think it's evolving and it's different, and I see it's more and more glamorous each year. Amazing experience, because first thing, I think it's delight to see so many beautiful jewelry designs like earrings and necklaces, and it's amazing, that part. And of course I really enjoy to do this, and coming here each year is like, it's special.
I saw a lot of my favorites that were displayed here tonight. I mean, the craftsmanship, the quality, the innovations, the stones, the gold, the diamond, everything was outstanding. All the work was very good. Wonderful design, innovation were appreciated tonight.
Well, honestly, this year it has been far more well organized. Not that it wasn't last time, but it is spectacular this year. The organization, the timing, the precision, the entire event, even the whole jury process was very effortlessly done, because I know it's very difficult and cumbersome to have all these beautiful pieces that are really precious, to have them out from safety point of view. So it's really been very well organized, and it's really a pleasure and honor to be here.
Excellent, because this is a really excellent platform to recognize and give awards to the people who are really the brilliance, actually, the brilliance of the workmanship and the excellent designs that comes in forth, and it's recognized so well. It's an excellent platform for recognition.
Everything is amazing, and yeah, I can't decide which one I like the best, but I had to make a choice. Well, it's been tough, because being a jury member was quite a responsibility, and time consuming to actually go through all the pieces and to choose a few, because it felt like you're not doing justice since everything was so good.
I feel the evening is just warming up and it is very exciting as all the creators are here together under the same roof. We're excited and I'm wishing everyone all the best. May the best one win.
Oh, it was absolutely beautifully, impeccably organized. I think the earlier stage of coming and seeing the stuff, trying it on also, you allowed us to. It is really nice to get a feel of the finish and everything wonderful. And then seeing everyone today coming from the entire India, from different towns and cities, and being there to get their awards was really exciting, for all the creativity they put in together.